Here we have an extremely clean 1962 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85. This is the first year for these cars, and this is about one of the nicest examples we've had the privilege of having here at Unique. This one's all stock, powered by its original 215 V8 aluminum engine, I might add. As you can see, exceptionally clean car. Copy the tag. This is a three-owner car since new. It's got 73,000 miles, and those are actual miles. As you can see, the body and paint on this car is absolutely amazing. It is running, it runs smooth. No hiccups. No smoke, as you can see. Look at the reflection of the paint. Absolutely fantastic. And the inside is as nice as the outside. These cars are kind of hard to come by. They don't see them, especially this nice anymore. So you can see everything in stock looking good. The dash is great. The interior, the upholstery on the seats is good. There's a headliner. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassicars.com. Trades are welcome and financing is available